Hey, it's the Midnight Round, and today we're going to do an unboxing. I recently went onto eBay and found a mystery Lucky Dip women's Halloween jewelry mystery box. That was a mouthful. It comes in a box like this, and inside there should be a range of jewelry. I believe there are 6 items, possibly more. The cost of the box is £5.99, so that's £6, making each item a pound, and there is £3 postage because of jewellery isn't very light. So I have bought the women's box today. I do have the man's box coming. So this is a sample of the women's one, and then there is also a man's one, which I have ordered as well. Comes in a box like this, so it is a letterbox size, which is pretty cool. Inside there is a card, and then we have all of the items neatly put in. It would be nice if they had just a tiny piece of packaging in there, or some little noodles, just to give it the chance of them scratching and rubbing against each other. But I can't say that I'm unimpressed with how they packaged it. Inside there is a little card. It says, hello, thank you for ordering. If you do like your purchase, your custom matters to us. Any problems, if you're unhappy, let us know. Please give us any feedback. And I hope to see you again sometime, basically. That's from j.p.shop. So I did speak to j.p.shop about the men's one and found that there is an item that is coming in the next box that was similar to this one, but it was a different colour. So what they've done is they've changed the colour so that I don't end up with 2 of the same colours. They actually messaged me to ask me at the other colours that they had, what colours I would prefer, which I thought was really cool. So they did everything possible to make the transaction as smooth as possible for the men's box. They did say there was a matching item or something in a different colour, and I was like, okay, what can we do? And she said, well, I've got different colours. You can pick a colour, and they did. So they really did try and help. I will link j.p.shop if I can. And then we are going to take a look at all of these. So each item should be a pound. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's 8 items. Okay, maybe there's more than I thought. But it is £6 for the box, which is a bargain price, especially if I've got that many. So we need to put the box somewhere. So put the box in the middle. Okay, so we will start off and we'll see what Halloween jewellery we can find. I've never done one of these before, so take a deep breath and here we go. So here we have the first item. It looks like this. So it is a hairband. So it's not technically jewellery, but we can let that go. Not technically jewellery, but it is a hairband. So jewellery kind of goes under accessories as well. So here we have this skull, got really big eyes, and it's in this kind of silver plate. And the idea is obviously that I would tie my hair up, and then you would obviously have the skull on the back of your hair. So if I show you on my wrist, you can get an idea. So the idea would be to tie my hair up, and the skull would show on the back. Or I suppose you could use it as a bracelet. You could have it like this as a bracelet. It is a hairband, obviously, but you could use it as a bracelet like that and wear it like that. So I guess that's a way of, if you have maybe short hair and you can't put your hair up, you can always just use it as a bracelet. So there's the first item. So that's not too bad of item. Quite alright with that one. Next one, we have another bracelet. And this one's got skulls on it. Ooh. Scully dudes. So, we have it on this kind of, I want to say, cord. And then in each of them, there is this slightly disturbing, I would say slightly disturbing, Scully dude. Look at him, look. Thank you. And this kind of toxic yellow. And then it's a bracelet, like this. But you can pull it so it does up, because obviously it's huge at the minute. but you just pull these little cords at the side and it shrinks it, which is pretty cool. So let me get my hand in and then we'll pull the cord. And just pull the cord like that and there. So then you got the skull bracelet around your wrist. You got the two little hangy bits, which are probably quite annoying. You could probably tuck them under, to be fair. I'd tuck them under. But it looks like that. That's pretty cool. And it's easy to take on and off, no needing a man to do it if it's a necklace or anything. You can do it like that. So that's pretty cool. I'm not a fan of the acid yellow, and I'm not a big fan of skulls. But like I said, it's a mystery box, so there's no telling what you're going to get in it. So like that. Ooh, so much to choose from. Let's do a ring next. So we've got a ring in here next. Now, I don't generally get rings in mystery boxes usually because no one knows your size. There's always a problem with jewellery, but then no one knows your wrist size or your neck size. So getting a mystery box is always a gamble. So here we have, isn't that the world's cutest kitty? Look at that. So he's got like a little face, if you can see it. He's got like these beaming red eyes. And there's this cute little kitty. And then the body goes round. And then it's his tail. And then your finger goes through like that. And look at him. Look at that. He's so cute. Look at that. It does just fit on my finger. It won't fit on any of the other ones. I suppose you could pull him apart a bit. No. It's just a pink, what we call a pinky ring. It just goes on your little finger. But he's so cute, look. And he's not going to cause any problem. And he's not going to fall off. So that one is really good. And the fact that he's a black cat, I can wear it for Halloween. Okay. Ooh, what else have we got in here? So the next item is this. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if I can work this one out well. I want to say it's like maybe a brooch, I suppose. Let's just get these bits in the right place because it's all going piton. There we go. Okay, so I want to say maybe it's on. I've lost a bit. Ooh, down the top. I want to say that it's a brooch, but I'm not sure now. It looks like this. It's got a little bit on the back. I wanted to say that it was a pin, but I'm not so sure. Might be an earring. I think it might be for your ears. I wanted to say that it was a pin, but I think you'll find it's an earring. The backing bit isn't the best in the world, but it looks like this. Got dangly little red bits here and another one down here. And it's kind of cool. But the ear bit on the back, I want to say it's an earring, but I'm not sure. The clasp itself isn't very good. It's kind of dodgy, but it kind of looks like an earring. I suppose you could just have it as a single earring. I don't know. Cute though. Very cute though, with the little drop pendants and that. It's very cute. So that's not overly exciting for me. So we'll put that to one side. Okay, right, on to the next thing. We have another ring. I love rings. Hopefully this video won't go on too long, but there are so many items in this box. Okay, so the next item we have is some wings. These are some, I want to say they're angel wings, like this. It's kind of silver, kind of gold. Looks like this. again, I believe it's just a pinky ring. It looks like this. That's kind of cute. There is a bit of a gap in the middle, but I think that's how it's meant to be. Does fit on other ones, right up until my index finger, and everything else, but the rest. So you got two choices. You can put it on that one. It looks alright. I'm not a big fan of wearing angel wings and wings in general. I'm not a big fan of gold, to be fair, but it's cute. So that's that one. Ooh, so many good things. I mean, the angel wings, we can give that a like. We like the angel wings. Okay. And now we're getting on to some jewellery. Now this, I couldn't decide what it was. So, anyone that can tell me what kind of jewellery this is, comment down below, because I was struggling. Now look at that. Now this is gorgeous, do not get me wrong. So, we'll start off small. First, you've got the matching colour pendant again, the same as the other thing. You've got these wings here, which are kind of cool. They look very delicate. So it does look very delicate. You've got these two wings, which are here, which are very cool. Then down here you've got some claws, and then you've got a tail. So I'm not sure where you wear it. I wasn't sure. So anyone can tell me how you wear this. There's no clasps or pins or anything, so I don't know. So comment down below if you know how to wear this, because I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. Very, very cute. Okay, so that's that one. Comments down below how to wear it, what it is. Much appreciated. Right, next one. Ooh, more items. So in here, ooh, we have a necklace. This it kind of goes with the rest. I do like the fact that all the red jewellery has kind of gone together. I'm hoping the man box will be maybe as coordinated. So this is fashion jewellery. So again, it's a kind of silvery bronze colour. It looks like this. So at the bottom, it's got all these kind of little tubes. They're kind of, I want to say, they're not like metal. They feel more like a plasticky. And then you've got this gorgeous bar up here of dots and chains and stuff, which is kind of cool. You've got a necklace extender on there as well, so looks pretty cool. So the idea is it just goes there. It's not got a long extender, so we're only talking well, it's actually quite big, to be fair, so we're talking sort of here maybe by the time you finished. So it is a gorgeous necklace. I don't see any time I would wear it, but it is cute nonetheless. So yeah, I do have a man's one coming, and I do have another mystery box of jewellery coming as well, hopefully in time before the end of October. And there's that one. And then there's just one last item. This is probably my favourite item, and I actually own it already, amazingly, and in the same colour. Would you believe it? I actually own this already in red, but that's cool. So again, another bronzy style colour necklace, and then at the bottom it looks like this. Now how gorgeous is that? So again, we've got the wings and we've got the red stone in, so the red stone obviously matches with the other two, which is awesome to see. On the back, again, we have another stone. This time it's clear. So obviously, trick of the art. Look at that. Red one side, clear the other. It looks really cool. It's really sturdy. I don't think it opens up. Would have been so cool if it opens up. No. But then again, it does have two stones in it, so Would have been cool if it had been a locket and it had opened up in the middle. But again, loving the chain colour. I love the fact that everything kind of matches in the whole thing. They're all kind of bronzy. They've got the red in it. So they have really tried to, when it comes to a woman's jewellery, colour coordinate and everything. You know, they haven't put, they've put bronzes with bronzes. They've put the reds together. So they really have tried to keep the, I'll get it back in, really have tried to keep the colour theme and the style going. So, all in all, the items I like would be the necklace. I like the hairband. The angel wings, I'm not a fan of gold, but I can still wear it. The kitty ring is probably my favourite. And then whatever this is, comment down below. The items I wasn't so fond of, this one, again, I think it's an earring, and I don't know if it is, so I do like that it colour coordinated with the other two though. This one I wasn't so cool. I'd probably wear it if it wasn't in acid yellow, so there's a thing. And then this one is really cute, but I don't think I would wear it. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8 pieces of jewellery. We've got necklace, hairbands, bracelets, rings, all for £6 with £3 postage. That is a bargain price. I do have the man's box coming, so whether you'll get the same kind of style, the same colours or anything, I don't know. Obviously, I will know more. But like I said, the j.p.shop on eBay was so helpful. Like they said, there's a matching item in the next box. I'm guessing the matching item would probably be this. And I have asked for a different colour. Hopefully I'll like the next colour. I'm guessing it's this one. I can't see any of the others being in a man's box. Maybe the necklace. But yeah, if you want to check out j.p.shop, I will try and link below. But this has been a brilliant box. I cannot wait to try the man's box. And I also do have another box from another company coming with jewellery in. I'm hoping that's going to be somewhat Halloween themed, or it will just be a jewellery opening box. And we will do that either sometime in October, or I will keep it for November. So if you want to like, subscribe to me and give me a big thumbs up, that would be awesome. I will give you all the details I can down below. If you want to like and subscribe to me and follow me for the rest of my spooky Halloween videos, please do so. Loads more to come, more spookiness on the way. And I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching.